Okay guys, so this is a tutorial on how to do Twisted Sonic, one of the most popular tricks, I guess you could say. A lot of people want to learn this because it looks cool. Anyways, basically, it's like a charge. You have to know how to do the charge, right? So I'll link a video on how to do the charge in the description. Anyways, so this is how you do a charge. You have to do it here, basically. I mean, I guess you could do it here as well, but this is probably the easiest way of doing it, is that you put it in between your middle finger and your ring finger. You do a charge, and then when you did a charge, you're gonna basically bend over your index finger like this, and then you're gonna push it, extend it, and you're gonna push it upward, and then you're gonna bend over your ring finger and your pinky finger. And once it's the motion is done, then you just raise your pinky finger and your middle finger, right? So yeah, I would say it's a really, like, the trick is easy, but it looks cool in my opinion. I don't know, not entirely sure. So yeah, this is how it looks like, honestly. It's good because you can learn like some combinations from it and stuff like that. So looks really damn cool. I highly recommend learning this trick. It's very useful and it's very easy to learn, especially if you're able actually, if you're good at like finger pass and or just a regular pass in general, and charge. Yeah, that's like a really good trick. So really good like trick for beginners because it looks really cool. So yeah, good luck.